Welcome back. We are on the topic ratios. In the previous video, we solved some questions on expressing two quantities as a ratio in its simplest form. In this video, we are going to solve some questions on ratios that involves equations. The questions for this video are: find the value of x in the following. A. X is to 14 is equal to 28 is to 196. B. 3x is to 5 is equal to 3 is to 1. And C. 4 is to x plus 5 into bracket is equal to 1 is to 2. We will begin with the first one. X is to 14 is equal to 28 is to 196. In the video on Introduction to Ratios, we learned that the ratio A is to B can be written in the form of a fraction as A over B. So if we are applying that here, then the ratio X is to 14 can be written in the form of a fraction as X divided by 14. And the ratio 28 is to 196 can be written in the form of a fraction as 28 divided by 196. This is a linear equation. We are going to solve this linear equation for x. We have one fraction on the left hand side and another fraction on the right hand side. We can multiply both sides of the equation by the LCM of the denominators to cancel out the fraction, or we can simply cross multiply. We learned how to cross multiply in JHS. I'm going to go over it quickly in this video. Let's say that we have this equation A divided by B is equal to C divided by D. We have one fraction on the left hand side, that is A divided by B, and we have one fraction on the right hand side, that is C divided by D. We can simply cross multiply. That is, the numerator on the left hand side will multiply the denominator on the right hand side, and the numerator on the right hand side will multiply the denominator on the left hand side. So first we will have A times D, and this will be equal to B times C. We are going to apply the same thing here. So here we are going to cross multiply. The numerator on the left hand side, which is x, will multiply the denominator on the right hand side, and then the numerator on the right hand side, which is 28, will multiply the denominator on the left hand side, which is 14. So you have x times 196 is equal to 14 times 28. X times 196 will give us 196x. 14 times 28 will give us 392. We will divide the left hand side by 196. We will divide the right hand side by 196. We will have x is equal to 392 divided by 196, and x will give us 2. Let's look at the second question. We have 3x is to 5 is equal to 3 is to 1. As we have learned, the ratio A is to B can be written in the form of a fraction as A divided by B. So the ratio 3x is to 5 can be written in the form of a fraction as 3x divided by 5. And the ratio 3 is to 1 can be written in the form of a fraction as 3 divided by 1. We are going to cross multiply. We have one fraction on the left hand side and another one on the right hand side. So the numerator on the left hand side, which is 3x, will multiply the denominator on the right hand side, which is 1. And then the numerator on the right hand side, which is 3, will multiply the denominator on the left hand side, which is 5. So you will have 3x times 1 is equal to 5 times 3. 3x times 1 will give us 3x. 5 times 3 is 15. We will divide the left hand side by 3 we divide the right hand side by 3. So x will be equal to 15 divided by 3. And 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. So x is equal to 5. Let's look at the last question. We have 4 is to x plus 5 into brackets is equal to 1 is to 2. The ratio A is to B can be written in the form of a fraction as A divided by B. So the ratio 4 is to x plus 5 can be written in the form of a fraction as 4 divided by x plus 5. And the ratio 1 is to 2 can be written in the form of a fraction as 1 divided by 2. We are going to cross multiply to remove the fraction. So you have the numerator here, which is 4. It will multiply the denominator here, which is 2. Then the numerator here, which is 1, will multiply the denominator here, which is x plus 5. Now this will give us 4 times 2 is equal to 1 times x plus 5. X plus 5 is a binomial, so you will put it in a bracket. You will have 1 into bracket x plus 5. 4 times 2 will give us 8. 1 times x will give us x. 1 times 5 will give us 5. So you will have 8 is equal to x plus 5. We want to find x, so I'll send 5 to the left hand side, and this will give us 8 minus 5 is equal to x. 5 is positive here, so when it crosses to the left hand side, it's going to be negative. We have 8 minus 5 is equal to x. 8 minus 5 is 3, so 3 is equal to x, or x is equal to 3. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. In the next video, we are going to apply what you've studied in ratios so far to solve practical problems. Bye-bye.